Hi, Maylin. Salamat. Salamat, Marilyn. Salamat. Mayong buntag diha. Nagpaano lang po, napa-watch hour lang. Salamat, Maylin. Salamat, sis. Salamat, Jude. Kaayo. Nagpakuan ra ko, nagpakiling time ra ba? Eh, sa maminaw ta sa anang mga nanguan diha. Sige lang record sa to, bahala na sila diha. Ako maayo na akong kinabuhi. Bahala sila. Hi, Susan. Hello. Angelo David. Hello. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Hello. Salamat. Oh, guys. How are you today? Hey, yeah. Very. Yes. How are you there? Kumusta mga friend, amigas? Thank you, Susan. Thank you, Day. Thank you sa mga Bisaya diya. Mga Bisaya, salamat. Salamat, Day, Susan. Salamat, Day. Nag-ano lang ako, nag-updated lang ko sa kung ano. Okay. Sorry, guys, ha. Busy. Little bit busy. Kaya nag-cheer up po. I cheer up my second account. My third account. Salamat. Salamat mo diha. Thankful. Thank you for everyone. I-open ako kung kuan diha nga. Welcome everyone there to chat me here. Welcome people. For as well now busy pagid ko. Busy pagid ko nagkuan sa kong channel, my third channel. My third channel, not yet, wala pa siya, not yet ang ano niya, but there's some couple like a video on my third channel. But yeah, everything will be alright. Yeah. So guys, kadali lang ha. Wait a minute because nagkuan ko ng kibali, hamisan pa ko. Hamisan pa ko ron. Okay. Nag-glow. Okay ra. Okay na okay, alright. Hi, Lucky! Lucky, hello there. How are you? I hope you've been good there. I just only like editing a video for my second account. No, for my third channel. Yeah. Hope you're doing fine there. Oh, I read that one. Oh, whatever he's searching about a flying monkey, he cannot get through the meaning of it, that what like I mean is the meaning that you would like to say, so like flying monkey. Yeah, he cannot accept it, that one, Lucky. And then he keeping back to the past. Past is already done, and there's nothing I can do that one. Yeah, it's already done, the things that before, about Basatino. He is my friend before. He's totally friend until now. And also something, na misunderstanding, about those people, haters, that be distracting. That's why he says something about me, but I already ignored that one, and there is nothing connect before, about Basatino. He is my friend before. He's totally friend until now. And also something, na misunderstanding, about those people, haters, that be distracting. That's why he says something about me, but I already ignored that one, and there is nothing connecting anything. So I thank you everybody. Really?